Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Facebook video on your mobile phone step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile and find the video you want to download. Click on the three dots on the post and select copy link. This will copy the video link on your phone clipboard. Now, open any browser on your phone like Chrome or Safari and go to a website called savefrom.net. Then select here Facebook downloader and paste the copy Facebook link into the search box on the website. Now select the video quality HD or normal and tap to download. That's it. Your video will start downloading directly to your phone gallery. Extra tip: if you don't want to use a website, you can also install apps like Video Downloader from Facebook from the Play Store. But be careful to download only trusted apps. And that's how simple it is to download any Facebook video on your mobile phone. Now you can watch your favorite video anytime, even without the internet. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss simple step by steps guides like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.